mo pe C program to he ke discuss to khana point number B ra the statement in a program must appear in the same order in which we wish them to be executed to ne that means arrow instruction ha declare no example in lowest to ne no see first go to hello world no hello world welcome to C programming to what to to point number B ratio so the program must appear in the same order in which we wish them to be executed akani hello world welcome to C programming to that year I thought year ni anti then it's fine no now what if we want welcome to C programming hello world to hai ni call ni hingi sto kan be then we change the sequence no hai nang di ani da rai kho ka tana oh something is wrong aro kai ni application to compile to thum ro kai ni compile to mu run to kla hello world welcome to C programming aro still the same halke output is what to later but we have changed here the line of codes no aro the welcome to C programming hello and hello one call later no this is why application so it's an every changes layer you first compile it no you first compile it otherwise you won't get the result you want no updated result is what to see welcome to C programming hello world what to no so our point number B re yasu ni ko what to year nei output one re what to year ni hai ni hai sequence matungil ni ara program ra ke same hai ra hai sequence ra you gel to no simple logic no hai the logic ko kya mo kora now okay you need the point number E C has no specific rules for the position at which a statement is to be written in a given line. That's why it is often called as a free-form language. No, but what if our program error this program has no error, no warning error but this is not a fixed position. No, I line rule I fixed position ni maka atul khomaka our program ma chimmak to ne to hin ka rule ko khimaka until and unless ne program hai coding hai no syntax mo logic mo nothing error ko khimaka nang di ne program like khoni na mong kho ya ta no atul aro printf ni aro later next printf ni r line to start to return ani ni or khok lan to plus no for example this RK program is result is mana is found out. See, same result. And what about this? Atul no, atul kaukanan ki compile it, run it. See, you will get the same result. No, that's why I position no line of codes hai position nei no fixed position no hai ka rules mak nei maram ni this programming language is also called as free form language no I form hai free way tanya now the last one and the most important no point F ra every C statement must end with a semicolon no every statement no this is one statement this is another statement and this another statement no I semicolon like to start we have semicolon here okay so every C statement semicolon ni lui dong ni to nya thus semicolon acts as a statement terminator so example no aro ni semicolon ara khomkra no by chance lumo khlak pe kani khomkra to kholase then compiler hai ni a line a yong yai rao kai ye ni jadi ar lui la to ni no kai ye ni uni hai di a line hai di it completes here no, but due to the absence of semicolon compiler hai treat to the this line also one of this line is a continuation of the upper line no. Aro semicolon khomak ni maram ni aro semicolon khomak ni maram ni dagre line a ki thagre line hele continuation hui ne tolwi laudio okay tolwi compiler hai nai tol treat to laudio so hai matam ro hai ai ro error hing dio so let's see no hai ko toli like mak to test na. Now we intentionally remove semicolon here, compile to customer. See, this is line no, line number 5. This is column number 36. This is the location of our program. Okay, I go expected error hai niko kutokan expected semicolon before printf no. Semicolon had expect to layer where code to ni before printf printf code ya printf the printf ya ni mox no next line relay printf asai my wrong draw semicolon had expect to lay ne to ne compiler unit no. Okay, so hanang di kani aro lag la custom semicolon no semicolon lag la custom haroni no haro semicolon lakai aro lakia ar tamai close oi khokor kia ar khokon ki ko ki bai no. Then what about the error message re yun before printf to ne before to banandi what about if we put here no aro lakas ne okay see error is 0 warning is 0 here why because semicolon hai aro khokanang ki it follows the rule no to see programming any rule hai follow to le hitone every statement hai semicolon hai terminate to hai rule ki follow to le hitone. And we have mentioned that C programming a free form language to ne and rule ni chimle lim di I khawni na point a semicolon hai r khoki ko bai ma to ne lo no khawni na bear khawla but rule should be true. Okay, rule should be followed hai jira. Okay, so now we run here. Run it and see we get the same value. Okay.